Want to show you the battery box. This is the high voltage out that goes to the back of the car. This is the high voltage switch. It's on right now. I'll turn this off. I always turn that off before I open. There is some, anytime you see orange, that means high voltage. This goes to the heater core. This voltage out of the battery box is 300 to 380 volts. So anything high voltage like that is going to be orange. I'll open this up now. I'll move the fasteners. And inside here we have the BMS modules. What we have here is the BMS control and the slaves 2, 3, and 4. And these are the battery cells 1 through 12, 13 to 24, etc. going on up. There's a wire to each cell on the batteries, and there's 91 there total. This is, you can kind of see the top of one of the batteries. This is the high voltage out to the switch, the high voltage fuse, 500 amp fuse. This 30 amp fuse is for the electric heater. It does run off the high voltage, and it goes through a smaller high voltage relay to power that. And this is the fuse for that. I'll show you what's in the back of the car now. The interior here is pretty much stock. It uses the wood board that would normally cover the spare tire and fuel tank, but it's been modified a little bit. What we have back here is the small rear drive Tesla motor. You can see the suspension, the BMW suspension, the springs, and some of the wiring going to the motor and back here. What we have here is the charger unit, the Elcon 6.6 charger. This is a contactor box with the high voltage contacts. You can't see them, but the cables come in down underneath this into this contactor box. This is the DC to DC converter. It converts the high voltage down to 12 volts. The car, once it's turned on, the ignition, it's not ignition, once the power key is turned on with the key, everything runs off the high voltage battery pack through this. It's kind of like an alternator in a car. When the engine's running, the alternator provides the power to the car. There is a small battery over here. That's basically the only thing that's used for is to operate the high voltage relays in here. When you turn the key on, it provides the 12 volts to turn those on. But once the high voltage kicks in, everything runs through the DC-DC converter.